Hello my fiends, and welcome to my Loot Fright unboxing. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the fright. If you want to get your claws on the next Loot Fright, the theme is Love Sucks. Just head over to lootcrate.com/vamp and use the code VAMP to save 10%. Make sure to do it by January 15th at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, fiends, and I'll see you next time.